Hello friends, I hope you all will be fine and doing good. Today we are going to discuss about email. What is email? But if you are new in this channel, do subscribe channel for the latest videos about English and about other interesting subject. Okay, email. Ra Tomlinson is the inventor of email. Meanwhile, it was initially used in 1960s and it took its current form in 1970s. It's the fast and efficient method to exchange of message between two or more persons. Exchange of message through a computer network that is called email or electronic mail. Email means electronic mail is a medium to send and receive document, files, videos, audios, animations, software into digital format with the help of internet. And if we talk about advantages of email, the first one, it costs less. Means apart from the cost of internet connections, email services are entirely free. Second point is speed. It is extremely fast. Just in a second, message is sent and received. The third point, user friendliness. It is easy to use. Even people with basic computer skills will be able to send and receive emails. And the fourth point, accessibility. It can be used as a storage medium where people will be able to save important files and documents. The fifth point is prioritize. Prioritize means messages which are received are always with a subject. You can filter and prioritize important emails. And the sixth point is advertisement. It is also used for product marketing. The seventh point, attachments. Usage of attachments is another feature of an email. References. References means like always carry the reference of other messages. And the last point, environment friendly. It is an electronic service that don't require any paper for functioning. A paperless service means that there is no actual damage caused to the environment. And if we talk about disadvantages of email, the first point comes, that is it can cause misunderstanding and lacks a personal touch. It can't be ignored for a long time. Timely responses, informal method of communication, and the last point, recovery. And if we talk about the parts of email, that is outlook.com, gmail.com, yahoo mail, and inbox.com, and the last one, mail.com. So I hope you have gotten today's lesson. If you have any query regarding this topic, email, you can freely ask in comment section. Thanks for watching my video, and if you have liked this video, do subscribe channel. Thank you.